welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with your boy Caribbean Voice cooking vlog. So guys, you know the routine. If you're new to my channel, please turn on your post notification bell. Please subscribe, leave a comment. In today's video I am going to prepare some breadfruit salad, some oven baked macaroni and cheese, some stew beef, and I'm going to cook some parboiled rice and some raw vegetable. So breadfruit is in season now, so I am going to use up some of the fruits and vegetable that I can get, that which is in season. Thank you for all my loyal dear one subscriber who've been with me throughout my YouTube journey. I really appreciate the love and the comment, and welcome to all our new viewers and subscribers. We appreciate the love and the support as well from you guys. So I am just done washing out the beef with some vinegar, and I have the season, which is some shredded ginger, scallion, garlic, onion, pepper, pimento seed. I'm adding in some shredded ginger, pepper, scallion, garlic, pimento seed, onion, and for the powdered season, some all-purpose season and some meat season, and it's a spoon each of both seasoning. I'm gonna add just a little bit of soy sauce and some browning just to add a little color to the meat. I'm gonna rub in the season and then leave it to marinate for 20 minutes. So when I'm seasoning the meat, I normally season and taste just to make sure that the meat is not too salty. So I season and I taste the season, ensure that everything is perfect. I'm peeling the breadfruit, and these are the breadfruit that I'm going to use to make the breadfruit salad. So I'm just cutting it up and add it into this container with water. So I am going to add some oil into the pot, small portions of oil, one for the breadfruit salad and one for the macaroni and cheese. So I'm going to wash the breadfruit and add them into the water. So I'm also going to add in the frozen vegetable. So I'm going to add salt. I'm going to add in the macaroni now. Adding just a little pinch of salt. So I'm giving the breadfruit like 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes to boil. So I'm gonna add quarter stick of butter into the macaroni, and I check on the breadfruit to do the salad. Breadfruit don't boil now guys, so we can take out the breadfruit. I'm gonna add the cheese. And I'm gonna add this small glass of milk. mixing the cheese along with the butter. The cheese melt out. I'm gonna add it in the baking tin. The cheese and the butter melt out. So I'm gonna add some of the whites and yellow cheddar cheese over it, and just put it in the oven for the cheese to melt, and just to get a nice golden color. Guys, now the oil hot. I'm going to put the beef. A little bit. You cover the beef. So the beef will take its time and get its color and to produce its own liquid. I'm making breadfruit salad, so I'm going to add some onions, some chopped scallion, some sweet pepper, and some tomato. I'm mixing in the seasons. I'm going to use some mayonnaise. Add just a little bit of brown sugar, like 1 teaspoon, into the salad, which is the breadfruit salad. Add it into this container here. So the beef done cook, guys, but the rain is coming down, so I'm gonna add in some carrots, some thyme, a little bit of pepper, and some Irish pepper. So the rain I come down, guys. So we gotta check on the pot them, see how the rain really come down. So these are the beef, and these are the rice pots. So I'm gonna add quarter stick of butter in the rice pot, guys. So scallion, piece of thyme, and just a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna add some onion, sweet pepper, tomato, scallion, and the beef pot, guys. Just I throw everything in there one time. Add 1/2 stick of butter in the pot. Guys, the rain really a come down. I'm trying to see if I can push through the video just for you guys. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt in the rice pot. a little bit of tomato ketchup. The beef looking good. I'm just waiting on it to dry down now. And the rice going on the fire, guys. But the rain will come down, so guys, I'm cooking and watching the rain at the same time. So all of these great content is just for you guys, cause I could have cooked inside the house, but I'm trying to give you guys some of the best outdoor cooking content I can possibly give you guys. Okay. So I am checking on the rice pot, guys. So the rice done, and the macaroni and cheese finished, the breadfruit salad finished, the raw vegetable finished. So I'm just waiting on the beef to dry down just a little bit, so the rain hold up, guys. So even if the rain come, everything done. So dry down now. This can come off now. This can come off now. We are at the end of the video, and this is the oven baked macaroni and cheese, stew beef, breadfruit salad, parboiled rice, and some shredded vegetable. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment.